Well, greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to tell you about a vehicle that was actually at one time belonged to a celebrity. I'll tell you who in a minute. Well, greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. On our sales floor, we have a really special car that you will probably not find another one out there in the country, even if you tried really hard. We have a 1957 Chevrolet 150 utility sedan. However, it has the fuel-injected 283 engine in it. So this is an extremely rare car. As I mentioned in the beginning, it belonged to a celebrity and he had a major car collection. His name was Reggie Jackson. So the old baseball player that this was one of his collections. Another individual bought this car back in the 90s and has kept it in this condition ever since. As you can see, beautiful paint all the way around. Everything on this car has been done to the way it should be done in 1957. The chrome has been all redone, has the look with the painted rims, the smaller hubcaps, the original type tires as well. These were really special cars. Many of them were called Black Widows. If you old car drag race guy, you're going to see that. The interior is absolutely Spartan. There is not even a back seat in this car. It was used for basically if it was used by a salesman or whatever to haul his merchandise around from store to store, and that's where it became used as a utility vehicle. This one, of course, is a little special in the sense that, you know, it is completely done the way it would have been done. It has things such as heater delete, radio delete, clock delete. It even has the correct plates in the dash for that very special reason. Again, a totally redone car from top to bottom, beautifully detailed under the hood, runs out nicely. That was probably part of the biggest thing with one of these. We got it to run really, really well, and it, you know, it was worth its weight in gold back in 1957 at the drag strip or whatever. You got 283 horses out of a 283, which was really special at the time. So if you're looking to add to your Chevrolet collection and one of the vehicles that are very hard to come by, we have one right here at Ellingson Motorcars in Rogers, Minnesota. You can come and look at it in person. We're open Monday through Saturday from 10 until 5. Love to show you it in person. If that doesn't work for you, you can visit our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com, where we have close to 100 cars and vehicles on display at all times in our indoor showroom. And if that doesn't work, you can still find us on Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram as well. So we have lots of opportunities for you. You want something that the Chevrolet people find to be an extremely rare car, we've got one right here at Ellingson Motorcars in Rogers.